Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a card on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the card button next to the mug at the upper side of the screen, and here select a template. New, you can edit this template. If you want to add images, just go to the image button at the bottom of the screen and go to the photo option at the lower right side of the screen, and here you can select pictures from your device. If you want to change the background color, just click to the color button, and here you can select different colors. If you go to the add button, you can add different text to your project. Just click that and write your text. If you finish, just click to the done option, and in the font section you can find different font type. In the color button you can search different colors, and you can add shadows to your text. And if you go to the doodle button, you can draft to your project. And if you go to the brush button, you can find different objects, and for example click to the butterfly, and you can add the butterfly to your card design. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.